Hi, it's Josh. I'm coming to you live from NAB 2014. I'm at the Wisycom booth and I'm with Massimo Polo. And Massimo, why don't you tell us a little bit about your new products?
This year we present here a full range of products for location sounds, along with other products for studio and fiber optic distribution and intercom. Talking about this range for location sounds, basically all our products are working in wideband. We've been testing this product worldwide with the biggest events. We do Formula One, we do Tour de France, we do all the big events. This year we're really launching the operation in the States, and as you see from the Trew Audio website, we decided to launch this with a very aggressive promotion. We were thinking about making marketing or something like this, fancy marketing on all this stuff, because we're really working since the 70s in Europe, but we are not really known in the States, although we are very, very strong in Europe, worldwide also. For instance, Formula One is using mainly all our stuff, using very, very big events with that. Instead of doing this, we saw that the best way to promote our product was to let our people try it. So we've been launching till I think the 6th of June a very aggressive promotions. Of course, this product is very high-end. This receiver is a real true diversity, so there are really 4 receivers within. It's working on the full UHF bandwidth, so it's basically covering all the blocks in the United States. And all these receiver has also some memory and some capability of handling this frequency. For instance, this is a compact version for compact camera or DSLR, and you can make a scan, for instance, and you can scan all the groups, and they can tell you which is the best group it works. And since this memory, this unit has a really huge memory, we have like, you can memorize within 40 group by 60 channels, we can make a pre-coordinate frequency plan for all UHF. So basically in this way you can scan, find a block, and have like 30-40 frequency pre-coordinated automatically. Of course, you can connect by infrared using the PC to find out, and they use all the nice program to make coordination. But if you don't need more than 20-30, this unit will do everything for you, which is nice. For location sound, is very nice. If you're doing big events with a 200-300 frequency, probably you need to use a coordination, but so you can use this unit as a frequency spectrum analyzer. But for the day-by-day working, all these units are designed to do your job very quickly. You can memorize all this frequency on the receiver, you can sync, you have all this kind of feature. And since these units are real true diversity, they're very sensitive. One of the questions that's why you're working so wideband is that if there's any problem, not at all. This unit has a triple filter, movable filter, which is when you tune a frequency, is moving the filter shape exactly on that frequency, so you keep having a very high selectivity and sensitivity. Those units are even the power stage on the 2 battery unit is even double to reduce intermodulation. So actually it's like having 2 transmitters on the same frequency, and we do that to cancel intermodulation. That is very important when you have a lot of channels, because intermodulation may be an issue. Then we have also a very nice small transmitter then can be used for when you need, when the size is important. This unit has very long autonomy. This unit with the 2 batteries lasts like 15 hours, like 9-10 hours with the full power with 2 batteries. So it's good for have a full day work. And this is especially good for theater because they don't want to change the body part. They don't want to leave it like that.
So the feature set is mostly the same between the 2 units? It's just a matter of runtime?
No. There is a difference. This unit is able to handle more power. He has actually 2 power outputs. Okay. It's like having 2 transmitters on the same frequency and they cancel each other intermodulation. This one is designed to have to be energy efficient.
Right.
So there is a difference. We cannot drain a lot of current from one battery, we will collapse. Right. So this is the main difference. But the frequency and how you handle frequency, the infrared, all this kind of stuff is in common. Also, we have a feature that we have two compounder systems. One is designed to have extremely noise reduction. When you have to shoot like 300, 400 meters, I don't know how much is in feet, when you have to shoot long distance, like a stadium or something like this. And there is a special compounder which is designed especially for high fidelity. So when you're scared about high frequency, a typical test is the key test. Normally you don't care about the key test when you're singing, but if you're making a show reality, you do care about that. So this is a special compounding system that can allow do that. The unit is basically, it has DSP on it, so it can receive both of these compounding systems smoothly. And we can also have a digital output, which is a very nice feature because, as you know, I mean, most of the cameras, they're very good in shooting video, but how do you say, the audio is a little bit limited. To make an example, the top of the range of Sony, I think this is PW700, 800, is like, it has 20 dB worse quality of audio than the audio output of these units. And if you're shooting with a DSLR, it's even worse. So if you enter digital on the camera or on the mixer, you are gaining like 30 dB, which is a nice feature because especially on location sounds, you need dynamic. You never know the level when there's an explosion, there's a scene. So this is a pretty nice feature. We also optimize this unit with an extended hardware limiter. So this unit is capable of handling an extra 30 dB, as you say, power. So basically, normally these units are working 110, 120 dB dynamic. With a limiter, you have an external 30 dB without distortion. So it's ideal for location sound stuff. When you have an explosion, you can hear it without having a typical bad, distortion noise.
Right. Thanks very much, Massimo. For more information on Wisycom, please visit trewaudio.com and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Trew Audio, we're everywhere you are.